Now after fertilization, ovary will get converted into fruit and ovule will get converted into seeds. यहाँ पर हम जो रोज प्लांट्स हैं उसके फ्रूट्स को देख सकते हैं. यहाँ पर फर्टिलाइजेशन की प्रोसेस हो चुकी है और जो ओवरी है वो फ्रूट में कन्वर्ट हो चुकी हैं. तो हम छोटी क्लासेस में क्या पढ़ते हैं कि फ्रूट्स आर बनाना, मैंगो, ऑरेंजेस एक्सेट्रा, बट दिस इज रॉन्ग. In our biology, we can say that every structure of plant that contain seed is called fruit. Now we can see many fruits. We have collected many fruits here. We will show you those fruits. Now we are taking guava and we are going to cut it. Here we can see that seeds are present inside the guava. Hence we can call it a fruit. Now we are taking chili and we are going to cut it, and in this chili also there are seeds present inside it. We can see the seeds clearly. Hence this is also a fruit. Now our fourth example is tomato and we are going to cut it. And we can see clearly the seeds of tomato, and hence it is also a fruit. Now we are taking a potato and we have already cut it. There are no seeds in potato. We can see clearly. So it is not a fruit. It is actually the stem part of the plant. Now we are taking a radish and we have cut it. There are no seeds in radish, hence it is not a fruit part. It is actually the root part of the plant. Now we are taking oranges and we have cut the oranges. There are seeds inside the orange. We can see the fruits, so it is fruit part of the plant. Now as we know, ovule जो है वो किस में convert होता है, वो convert हो जाता है seed में, and seeds are present inside the ovary. Here we have taken rice and this is example of monocot seed as it is having single cotyledon. We have wheat also. It is also an example of monocot seed as it is also having single cotyledon. These are the seeds of cumin and these are the seeds of fenugreek. Here we have taken the seeds of gram. Now I am dissecting it. It has a covering which is called seed coat. There are two cotyledons in gram seed, and hence it is dicot seed. Between the cotyledons there is embryo present. After germination, upper part of embryo which is called plumule will develop into stem of the plant, and lower part of embryo which is called radicle will develop into the root part of the plant. Hence we have seen all the reproductive stages of a flowering plant, and I hope that you have understood all the stages. Thank you.